In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Lovable project with Supabase. First, make sure you're signed into your Supabase account in a separate tab. Then, open Lovable and select the project you want to link. From the project dashboard, click on the project name and open Settings. Inside the settings, scroll down to Integrations and choose Supabase. Now click Connect Supabase. Since you're already signed in, Lovable will automatically recognize your account. You'll be asked to pick an organization and grant API access. Review the permissions, then click Authorize Lovable. Once that's done, your Lovable workspace will be connected to your Supabase organization. You'll see a confirmation message, and from there, you can either connect an existing Supabase project or create a new one directly. In this case, I'll link it to an existing project. Now your app is officially connected to Supabase. From here, you can use it to handle authentication, database management, or even set up payments through Stripe. And that's all it takes to connect Lovable with Supabase. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.